In the not-so-distant future, as humans dream of settling on the enigmatic red planet, an unexpected ally emerges: bugs. Emmanuel Mendoza, a tenacious undergraduate at Texas A&M University, found himself at the forefront of a groundbreaking experiment that could redefine the way we envision life on Mars. It all began with a single flower, a triumph cultivated through Mendoza's dedication to nurturing his English pea plant collection. But these weren't ordinary peas, they were destined for a simulated Martian soil, meticulously crafted to mirror the harsh regolith covering Mars' surface. To this alien soil, Mendoza added a unique fertilizer, frass, the residue left behind by black soldier fly larvae, essentially bug manure. The audacious goal? To explore whether these resilient insects and their excretions could be the key to sustaining life on Mars. Black soldier fly larvae, voracious consumers of organic waste, could transform it into frass, a potent fertilizer that could coax plants to grow in the inhospitable Martian soil. The cycle would continue as humans consume the plants and even food derived from the larvae, generating more waste to fuel the intricate ecological system. Lisa Carnell, director of NASA's Biological and Physical Sciences Division, emphasized the inevitability of growing food on Mars, stating, "We can't take everything with us." Mars-bound astronauts will not only be tasked with cultivating crops, but also managing an ecosystem of insects and microorganisms vital to the success of Martian gardens. The notion of long-term habitation on Mars marks a departure from the current space experience, which resembles a prolonged camping trip. Scott Parazynski, a former NASA astronaut, compares it to bringing freeze-dried food on a camping trip, a far cry from the comforts of a terrestrial kitchen. To establish a sustained presence on Mars, astronauts will need more than just rations. They'll require Martian gardens, potentially nurtured by the unassuming black soldier fly larvae. Helena Lisson, a researcher at Wageningen University and Research, highlighted the versatility of black soldier fly larvae, stating, "They eat almost anything." In the past decade, scientists have discovered the agricultural potential of frass, rich in nutrients and bacteria. Jeffrey Tomberlin, an entomology professor at Texas A&M University, and his team aim to put this knowledge to the test. Noah Lemke, a graduate student recruited through the Aggie Research Program, collaborated with Mendoza to investigate the potential of a holistic system. The larvae would consume astronauts' food waste, producing frass to fertilize Martian soil, resulting in the growth of food plants. The larvae themselves could be transformed into a protein source for astronauts or any animals they bring along, creating a self-sustaining cycle of life. Their experiments with English peas in simulated Martian soil yielded promising results. The optimal frass percentage for plant growth was around 10%, with the added benefit of microbes enhancing the soil's fertility. Mendoza presented their findings at the Entomological Society of America conference, hoping to translate their research into a practical system for space exploration. This innovative approach aligns with NASA's broader efforts in developing bioregenerative life support systems, BLISS. The soldier fly system's ability to consume waste, produce fertilizer, and provide sustenance positions it as a valuable component of future space environments. While the idea of consuming peas fertilized by fly larvae might be palatable, the prospect of ingesting the insects themselves poses a more challenging culinary frontier for astronauts. Dr. Parazynski acknowledged the potential hurdles, stating, "As long as the nutrition is there, they're probably to make it work somehow." The soldier fly system introduces the necessity of cohabiting with insects, both visible and microscopic, as a fundamental aspect of space exploration beyond Earth. As we envision the journey to Mars, it becomes apparent that it isn't just a giant leap for mankind but a crawl for insects. The unassuming black soldier fly larvae may hold the key to transforming Mars from a desolate landscape into a thriving ecosystem capable of sustaining human life. Their role as the architects of a self-sustaining food and waste management system underscores the intricate balance required for life beyond Earth. In conclusion, the road to Mars is paved with the collective efforts of humans and insects alike. The uncharted territories of space exploration demand unconventional solutions, and the black soldier fly larvae might just be the unexpected heroes in this cosmic narrative. As we venture beyond our home planet, embracing the company of these tiny companions might be the key to survival, making the distant red planet a little more like the nutrient-rich Earth we call home.